what we're talking about. We're gonna be in Chicago somewhere at some time talking about some.
This is Conrad and Jack from Absolute, and we're super excited to talk about Saturday morning in Chicago, 10:30 to 12. Mark your calendars.
Don't want to miss it. Really, really excited. So definitely do not spend too much time at Big Bar on Friday night because you're not going to want to miss this.
And if you do, you don't have to bring your sunglasses because we are going to provide you with 3D ones.
We're not doing the whole presentation in 3D. It's just a small part of the presentation that is, just to keep it a little bit fun. Everybody's in lecture basically at that point for a day and a half. So we want to kind of break it up and have a good laugh together.
So we're going to start it with a real fun historical view. We're going to go to Arjun's facility, see how we make or how they make zirconia. And then we're going to come back to the lab, look at how Jack does his magic. And then we'll break it off, take the glasses off and really discuss the evolution of hybrids. We're also going to talk about the surgical aspect, how Absolute has hedged our surgeons to drive us back to our referrals so we can kind of lock in the whole thing.
Right.
So Jack's going to talk about prototyping, how important it is to keep everything in the digital workflow, and then show his neo-artistry and also how he contours. And then Arjun has some great news.
Huge. There's going to be a huge announcement, and you guys that will be there will be the first ones to actually get to see it in the country. So that's pretty major.
I'll give you a little inside track. Jack and our Absolute Art team was honored to do the first case in the US with this material with Dr. Mark Ludlow from MUSC. So we'll be showcasing what we can do with this new material. Very, very exciting. And the results have been spectacular.
Yeah, it's been great. You definitely don't want to miss it.
So really, if you have an open spot 10:30 to 12 on Saturday, we'd love to see you there.
Come see us.